hirap nitong process, lalo nitong open bycam.
Kita niyo po eye bags namin ni
Mahirap. Ito napakahirap dahil walang yung elbow room mo to make mistakes, maliit eh. No, for example, nabasa mo mali. Paano mo i-correct yun? Patawag mo ulit at babycam kayo. Yun ang mahirap eh. No? At of course, sabi ko nga maraming na ang nagpa-participate sa discussion. So, medyo tumatagal din. So, it's very difficult but first time to in history. So, I'm sure mag-a-adjust kami in the next few years, making sure that it's smoother at mas maayos na yung preparation.
Ang napansin din namin ni Senwin, we were extra cautious about making sure that if ever there are items we miss out, talagang ipapasok namin, di ba, Senwin? Kasi, for example, yun nga yung sinasabi ni Senwin na we want to make sure that whatever changes or adjustments we have to make, manifested siya sa floor, approved siya ng BICAP, because we really don't want to do anything that would go against our commitment towards transparency. So yun siguro yung extra challenge sa amin, na kailangan matandaan talaga namin every single aspect of the budget that we need to put forth to the body. So tama nga si Senwin, yun lang yung pinag-uusapan namin na Mika, kailangan nating tapusin, mapasadahan lahat kasi mahirap na ipatawag ulit yung BICAM conferees ng biglaan.
Ang agreement naman namin ni Mika, basta any changes sa BICAM, dapat i-manifest sa floor. At yung mga detalye, ibigay sa mga membro at i-upload sa website para makita ng taong bayan yung mga changes. Or else, talagang secret insertion to. Kayo lang nakakaalam na hindi namin gagawin.
But if you were to ask us, in hindsight, pinag-usapan na po namin to ni Senwin, it was all worth it. All the hard work was worth it. Isa lang naman po talagang gusto natin gawin dito. Talagang siguraduhin na itong budget na to mapagkakatiwalaan ng ating mga kababayan. And we're undertaking all of these additional steps in the process to ensure na pag nakita po ng taong bayan natin yan, sige, magtitiwala kami sa budget para sa taong 2026. And it's all worth it.